Hi beautiful Nono Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. This is actually a voiceover video and this is an unusual video for us today, right? Yeah, but it's one of those contents that you want to do and you want to just save it on your phone, but you feel that saving it on your phone you're still gonna lose the content. Okay, so I had to put it on YouTube just to save it up. So I went to this, what they call countryside. It was so amazing. It was beautiful. I was very tired that day, very tired, but I didn't care. I didn't bother. I had to just go. Or no, if you look at me in this video, you should know I am somehow, right? Just do 1 + 1. Maybe you know what the situation is on this video, maybe. Yeah, so but I still, nevertheless, I went and it was a very beautiful experience. Went to this countryside. This building was since 1920s. It's like a farmer's house. It's like a farmer's yard where they breed animals, different animals, and then and they sell it to the consumers and they use it for meat and so many other things. So right in this yard we saw so many of them. We saw the elephant, we saw the horse, the male and the female. What amazed me was this particular one you're seeing now, the pigs and the pig's kids. They were sucking the breast out of the... I learned that very day that pigs has 16 breasts. 16 breasts. Are you surprised? I learned that day that the pigs has 16 breasts and they give birth to as much as. So you can see how this piglets or whatever it's called is feeding on their mother. You can see how tired the mom is and lying on the floor. Like, I was so touched. I was like, this woman, can't you just find something to do and just get these kids away from your body and before you just collapse? See the man way pregnant, they again, no the woman they suffer. You might not be hearing the voice of the pig because I removed the voice from this video, the way he was breathing. And see, what surprises me now was the way he stood up. She stood up and she laid her breast on the floor so that the babies would know that mom is tired. It was so amazing. Like, I was like, right there, I was pity for the pigs. I was pity for the pig. The she pig itself, the mother itself. How is she going to come out from those pigs? Is she going to lie down there and watch them till they suck and she dies or something like that? So it's kind of emotional for me. But when I saw her, she stood up and the next thing, she took all her breast and she laid it on the floor and the babies knew that the milk is over. It's over. So it was just so amazing. God is so wonderful. He gave sense to every living thing on earth and it's so beautiful to see, So this very place you're seeing right now is like the old days tractors, what they use in mowing, what they use in carrying out their, what is it called, their farmyard works, their productions, the different things. You're just a farmyard, a countryside farmyard, in addition, like a museum, which you're seeing right now on this video. Okay, towards the end of this video you see several pictures that I snapped. Some of the pictures were not good, I had to take them out, but some were just the ones I put up here just for experience purpose, if you just put it that way. Yeah, just for experience purpose, because I didn't want to lose this video. If you watch this video, you see it's not the normal frame size, and this is cow. See, you see this cow? Trust me, it's not as big as this video. It's very huge. If you see the head, very huge. But this video is not doing justice to this cow. It's not doing justice to it. That was my first time of seeing a very big cow. I don't know how to put it, but trust me when I say very huge. The video did injustice on those cow. So guys, that is just it. That is just it. It was just a very beautiful day and I felt like showing you guys. And the most motivating part of it was those big moments, the moment they were sucking their mom's breast. So these are the few pictures I just snapped. I just snapped the mother before they start feeding and all, and I snapped myself. If you look at me here, your girl is what it is. Okay, just figure it out yourself. And this old ancient house, we were inside. This machine here is what they use in doing blankets in those days, and this was their house, what it looked like. I forgot to put up their kitchen here. It was just old things, and this was the bed they used. So guys, that is just it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please try to do so. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Remember, this is our unusual video, but I'm saving this up for myself. Thank you and have a lovely day. Bye.